build is necessary because I live with 6 people, which means we have a lot of space. Like we got the table, couch, kitchen, and that thing up there, that's the bathroom. But there's still not a lot of spots to work. However, the last frontier of this room, this whole big giant space, is that spot up there. We just kind of use it as storage, but you can still get up on top of it. The loose plan right now is to build some sort of desk, table, something that would fit on top so that you can sit on the edge of that structure and work. Now, after making that drawing, I realized I needed a second opinion. So, I'm over here in Brooklyn today because my friend Nick is speaking at Apple, and he is a much better designer than I am.
Thank you all for coming. This is awesome. I really enjoy pushing the boundaries of what a product could be. And so, you know, what if we can make a chair a fishbowl? Or what if we can make a chair that you use tree trunks and strap it to a piece of wood? And so that's what I want to share with you guys today. I'll create a chair right here on the spot. And if you guys have questions too, we can answer those as well as we go.
Okay, so I'm designing this like a lap table. So it's gonna go up like this.
Okay.
So, based on these rudimentary drawings, what do you think I could add?
What is this piece right here?
So this is just plywood.
Okay, it's gonna be fixed and then it has a fold out cup holder?
Yeah.
I think you should put the cup holder inside the top of the plywood. The cup holder should go, I think the cup holder should just go like, just got a hole in it.
So just inside.
On the
that
table.
makes sense. That's true.
Oh, thanks for coming in. Yeah. Let's talk about it.
That's what we were missing. That's what we were missing right there. Okay. Cup holder is interesting. I was thinking the one on the side might be enough, but I understand what he's saying about Nick's he likes clean shapes and lines. That's why he's a good designer. But the problem is that this cup, especially this one, the shape, you can't put it in a hole like you could a normal cup holder. It's not a funnel. So I think I'm gonna keep the one on the side, but there needs to be something on the top. Comfortable. See, I can't scoot forward without it going and falling off. Take a rip. It's gotta go. This is the maiden voyage. To make this a little more stable, but other than that, it's gonna be great.
Amazing. Almost as sick as the dart up there.
I love that dart.
Dude, it's become like an art piece.